Hello, hello. My name is Mateus, and this is the project for the visualization course. And in this project, I deployed the WordPress website for a moving company, which I plan maybe to create in the future. And I'm using a virtual machine on Microsoft Azure. And the goal uh, in this task is to design and create a small internet service using the cloud infrastructure. And this is the Azure. This is the IP address, public address that, as we can see here, this is the page which I created for a moving company. And in the virtual machine back here, I installed Apache, which is like a web server, MySQL to handle some data like form data, and PHP. And during the setup of the Apache, which I installed here in the virtual machine, I faced some issues, Apache configurations, but was nothing something big. I could fix it easily. But here in my page, uh, I I created the pages like home, about, service, blog, and contact. This is the front end of the page. It's looking quite nice. And here, everything here works. And if they click here to send me a message, they can send me a message, and I will see it through the back end of the page. So here we have the virtual machine, and here I have the web page, and here's the back end. Here in the back end, I have few plugins which I installed. You can see right here, these three are activated. This is the form which handles forms like data, some starter templates which I used, and this is more tools for editing the page after it's ready. And here in sure forms entries, I can see the datas. When the user send a message, I can see it right here. I have tried it few times. We can see this one. Maria, I created this name, and I sent a message like hello world. So every time they had the correct way, if it's for real production, me as the owner of the website, I would get an email when someone sent me a message. But basically, this is uh, the the page I created for my course. So here's the virtual machine which is running on Azure, and the virtual machine that is it's installed Linux, and then I installed Apache, MySQL, and PHP to make WordPress works. So basically that's all I have to say. Thank you for watching.